Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you great. And today we have a new cumulative update, as you see, for Windows 11 Insider Preview. It's build number 10.22623.1255. So as you see, I'm just downloading that update. And security intelligent update for Microsoft Defender antivirus, it's KB5022918, version 1.38.1.3562.0. And this is for my incorporation, so it's not matter that, or for my PC. So guys, we have new update, so go to your PCs and something drives. Problem is not matter Defender virus really for me, and downloading, and we'll see what is new. Dev channel, go to, I think they will, if they are not, I think they are, remove watermark, but if they not, I think soon will be remove watermark. When Microsoft Windows on Dev channel remove watermark, it's really the version start begin to be better and stable, more stable. So guys, that will be all for now. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and bye.